God has always a design, a plan for each and every one of us. Lalo na sa pag-aasawa, like Rainier and Lyca.
Nagkasundo kami ng ugali kasi parehas kaming simple lang. Gusto namin yung fishball, mga ganyan lang. Yung mga bagay na hindi maarte, doon kami nagkasundo.
Sa ganitong pandemya, may makikita kang tao na magmamahal sa'yo, suporta sa'yo, tanggap ka, lagi nandyan para sa'yo, tsaka alagaan ka. Kaya sobrang blessed ko na nakilala ko yung taong para sa akin at tsaka laging pinagdadasal ko.
Before God, there is no time. And with love, it is timeless. You can find your love today, or maybe that love has not been born yet. Maybe in the far, remote future pa.
Suportahan kita sa lahat ng desisyon mo sa buhay at hindi kita hadlangan sa lahat ng pangarap mo kahit ano pang mangyari in the near future. Naniniwala ko sa iyo at nagtitiwala sa pangako mo. I love you, mahal ko. Happy birthday. Lyca Makino, Estranjero. Your pretty wifey. Haha.
Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father. I want you to have this humble gift of mine in our wedding. It's a watch because I promise that you'll have most of my time for the rest of my life, and I always be on the watch of your safety needs and feelings. I love you, ma. I love me forever. Your future husband, Rain.
There is a big room for divine providence. And the Lord will take care of you. The Lord will take care of this marriage.
Cause everything else just feels so right. And now I just want to hold you tight. So why don't we just fall?
How could I even say that I've been so unlucky in this pandemic situation? For given a chance, I wouldn't change a thing that happened and still choose what I have right now without even thinking twice. As long as she's here, 2020 is still my best year because I met her in a much unexpected way. Cheers to more struggles, sad and happy moments with you.
Promise ko sa'yo na nandito lang ako para sa'yo, aalagaan kita, try ako magluto ng masarap para sa'yo. Pag-aaralan ko yun, alam mo naman ako, hindi naman ako mapaluto talaga, pero para sa'yo, pag-aaralan ko kay Baby Riley. And magiging mabuting ina rin ako para kay Baby Riley. And basta mamahalin kita forever, and sana ganun ka din. Huwag ka magbabago kung ano ka, yun ka. Mahal kita kahit sino ka pa. Yun lang. Love you.